Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to find duplicate entries in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to find duplicate entries, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have written 100 boys name, and now I want to remove, or I want to find which of the name is repeated, means duplicate entries. Okay, so what you have to do, first we have to select all the sheet. Okay, now select all the sheet here. Okay, now what you have to do, now here you will see option condition formatting. Okay, now just click on it, and here you will see highlight cell rules. Now just duplicate values, click on duplicate values, and here you can just choose which red, light red fill with dark yellow, like this. You can choose all the colors. Okay, then you have to just click on OK. So now here you will see these are the duplicate values. Okay, all the yellow part is duplicate values, means all these names is repeated. Okay, so like this you can find duplicate values in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.